Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Joe, and in today's video, I'm going to give you some homework, some exercises about the present perfect. I've been asking people a lot of questions on Instagram lately about the present perfect, and 50% or more of the people I've asked have made mistakes. So, this video is going to give you practice in 3 different ways. I'm going to get you to change simple past sentences to the present perfect. I'm going to get you to fill in the blanks with some present perfect sentences. And I'm going to get you to try and fix mistakes with present perfect sentences. All right? So let's get started. So this first part, I want you to change these sentences that I give you from the simple past to the present perfect. I'll tell you the sentence. I'll give you a moment. You can pause if you want to, and then I give you the answer. Okay? So if you want to try it yourself, remember to pause before I give you the answer. Let's go. So the first, number 1. Did I meet you while at a nightclub? And the answer, have I met you while at a nightclub? Okay. Number 2, my mother ate some seafood. And this becomes, my mother has eaten some seafood. Number 3, my brother broke his leg. And that becomes, my brother has broken his leg. Number 4, she didn't drink enough coffee. And that becomes, she hasn't drunk enough coffee. Number 5, did Dad pay the bill? And that becomes, has Dad paid the bill? Number 6, they screamed during the horror movie. And that was, they have screamed during the horror movie. And last one of this type, number 7, my ex-girlfriend is angry this month. And that should be, my ex-girlfriend has been angry this month. Okay? All right? How many of those did you get right? You can tell me down below. And you've made it this far, so what I want you to do now is send me a secret code. That'll tell me that you're a great student and you've made it this far. In this video, there's going to be 3 secret codes, and if you send all of them to me, in a direct message on Instagram at Teacher Joe Crossman, then I will send you an extra quiz that I make and share only with my best students. Okay? So here is the secret code. The first secret code is, I have paid the bill. Okay? Now, let's go to the second part. Part 2, we're going to have 7 questions where you have to fill in the blank. Okay? Here's number 1. These 2 boxers have before. And the answer is fought. Okay? The past participle of fight is fought. Number 2, you've frozen the beer again? And the missing word is have, right? You need have or has, so have you. Number 3, I seen Joe since last week. Where is he? And the missing word is haven't. This is a negative. I haven't seen Joe since last week. Number 4, the businessmen have up the contract So the deal is canceled. And the missing word is torn. Have torn up the contract. They ripped it up. Number 5. The soldiers have all the trucks. And the missing word is unloaded. Have unloaded. Number 6. My worst student has everything we learned in class. And the answer is forgotten. My worst student has forgotten everything we learned in class. Okay? And now here's number 7, the last one of this type. Joe has asleep in the elevator. And the missing word is fallen. Joe has fallen asleep in the elevator. Joe must have been very tired. All right. Now you've made it this far. That is fantastic. Here is the second secret code. All right. And it is sleeping in an elevator is not smart. Okay. So send that to me in a direct message on Instagram and I'll know you're doing great. But let's not stop. We've got one section left for this homework video. And in this one, I'm going to give you a present perfect sentence with a mistake in it. One mistake. Try to fix it before I give you the correct answer. All right? Here we go. Number 1. All of these criminals has been to jail. And the mistake is has. It should be have. So plural. All of these criminals have been to jail. Number 2. This guy has jumping out of an airplane before. And the mistake is jumping. It should be jumped. This guy has jumped. Present perfect. Number 3. Have ye seen my beautiful cat yet? And the mistake is have. It should be has he seen, right? Not have. Has he seen? Number 4. Joe has had a drink all day, so he's really thirsty. And the mistake is has. It should be Joe hasn't had a drink all day. That would make me very thirsty, okay? So Joe hasn't had. Number 5. Most people who has been to New York have really liked it. So the mistake is has. Most people who have been. All right? So we're talking about they. They have. And here's the last one, number 6. Lots of people have telled me they like my beard. All right? And the mistake is telled. Of course, we shouldn't use telled. It should be lots of people have told me. Okay? All right. So that's the end of that section. There was 20 questions total. All right. And I hope you did great on them. How many did you get right? Tell me down below. The third secret code for this video is nice cat. All right. All right. Now this is the end of this video, but if you want to keep studying or you want to review about present perfect, here's another video link to talk about that, and you can click it and learn more English, which is the most important thing for you. Okay? By the way, remember we got subject plus have or has plus the main verb, which is the past participle, and that makes up the present perfect. Okay? That's it for now, everybody. See you later.